Welcome to Outlook Worksheet lesson number 22. And to start off, we're breaking apart the grids or the arrays, then we're writing the products. So it's asking us to break apart each array, but since it already gives us the numbers right here, let's just ignore that because it's the faster way. So we already know that the 6 right here means that there are 6 columns going down, and the 5 on the right means that there are 5 rows on each, 5 rows of 6 basically. And so what we can do is just simply plug in these numbers right here. So 6, 5, and it wants us to write the product. So what's this count? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So that means that our product for this first one is 30. And for this next one, here we have 7 and 7. So we already know that we can just put in 7 and 7 right here. And to break it apart, we can just count 7 7 times. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49. So we get a 49 right here. This next page is we're doing the same thing. So let's plug in 3 and 6 right here. And let's count 6 rows of 3s. So 6, 12, 18. That's our answer. And for this last one, we're just doing the same thing again. We just put a 6 right here, and an 8 right here. And we just count by rows of, or we, by, yeah, rows of 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. For this next one, we're using a pictograph to answer the questions. So, and this is corresponding to the favorite seasons according to the students. So, number one asks, how many more students voted for summer than for winter? So, and we know that each flower or each leaf right here means two. So for summer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. So that's gonna be 8 times 2. It equals 16. And it asks how many more voted for summer than winter. So now we gotta see winter. Winter has 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So now we just do 16 minus 12 because we need to find how many more students. And when we get 4. So our answer for number one are 4 students more voted for summer. Number 2, which received the most votes. And just looking at this picture graph, we can use our eyes and see that summer has the most. So this one's gonna be summer. Number 3, how many more students voted for summer and winter than voted for spring and fall? And we already have winter and summer, which is 16 and 12. So if we add those two together, we get 28, which is the total for summer and winter. So now we gotta find out how many are in spring and fall. So spring has 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, and then fall has 2, so which is 4. So 8 plus 4 equals 12, and we can just do 28 minus 12, and that gets us 16. So 16 more students voted for summer and winter. And lastly, number 4 is asking us how many students voted in all. So we can see that we already have all the numbers, which are 28 and 12. And instead of subtracting this time, we can just add these two together. So we get 28 plus 12, and that gets us 40. So in total, we have 40 students who voted. For our word problems, we have number 1. This week, Steve jogged on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If he continues this pattern, on which day will Steve jog next? So we already know that Steve jogs Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And so let's write those down. We have T for Tuesday, we'll do TH for Thursday, and SA for Saturday. And so now we can see, let's write in the days in between too. But we'll write these downer so we can see them. So for Tuesday we have Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday. And so we see that His pattern of jogging means that he's gonna run one day, skip a day, run the next day, skip another day. So then if he runs on Saturday, that means that he's gonna skip Sunday and then run on Monday. That's our answer. The next day he'll jog on is Monday. Number two, Angelina bought 7 boxes of crayons. There are 8 crayons in each box. How many crayons did Angelina buy? So we know that she has 7 boxes, and there's 8 in each one. So we know that our equation is going to be 7 times 6. And if you don't already know your times tables, we'll have to do it the short way, or the longer way, which is counting 8 7 times. So 8 7 times is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56. So that's our answer for this one. And for our last problem, Lucy has read 28 books of a page that has 96 pages. Find the number of pages Lucy needs to read to finish the book. So we know that there are 96 pages in this book, and there are 28 pages that she's read. So to find how many more pages she needs, all we need to do is subtract. So 6 minus 8, not possible. So we're like borrow from this 9. 9 becomes an 8, 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, well, it's 8, and then 8 minus 2 is 6. And so she has 68 more pages that she has to read.